welcome back. Time now for better food, and we are so excited that Molly Devanney from Highland Park Market is joining us now. Hello,
Yes.
Molly.
Hi,
Nice
thanks
to
for
see you.
having me.
So we're cooking up some fall flavor, and this is a meal you can have with your whole family. It's actually the last day of National Family Meals Month. That was September, so a great way to end it. And also, people are getting into the swing of things, and this is Make Ahead Monday. So what you're going to show us is something we really could have for the whole week in different ways.
Oh yeah, absolutely, because you can do pulled pork in a number of different ways. You can have sliders, which we have here, and then the younger kids obviously love mac and cheese. So if you mix pulled pork with some mac and cheese, you have some protein there, which is great for kids. There's also mashed potatoes you can do it with as well. You can have pulled pork tacos, pulled pork nachos, a variety of everything.
You can have, and I'm going to put my hands on a pork butt. I'm going to rub a pork butt.
It involves rubbing it.
It does. I'm excited about this.
Okay, so this is the cut of meat you can get. Of course, you guys have beautiful cuts of meat.
Yeah, and this is on sale this week. It's our boneless pork butt.
Oh, cool.
So, and it's great. So I start off with probably about 4 to 5 pounds of boneless pork butt.
This is gonna feed a lot of people.
It is gonna feed a lot of people.
Yeah.
So you'll be surprised, and I'll show you guys the end. Magic of TV, we can show you the end of what we made.
All
so
right.
if you want to start with this and rubbing.
Sure. What do I do?
So this is a favorite, any
Do I
dry rub.
massage the pork butt?
Yes, you're gonna take it and sprinkle it.
I don't think he's ever done this before.
Oh my gosh, this is
with
great.
the spices.
With the spices. So this is my favorite. There's a bunch of different ones because some people like hot.
All of this,
Some people,
Molly?
yeah, all of it. And you're gonna rub it all around. We're gonna pick up the pork butt and rub it all around. So, yep, get a good coating on it. You're doing great, Scott. So, Kara, if you want
This
to
is
do,
so
I'll have you do
disgusting.
this one. So this is a cup of brown sugar.
Okay.
And then we're gonna mix a cup of ketchup, and then a cup of apple cider vinegar.
So ketchup, brown sugar, and apple cider. Is this like a homemade barbecue sauce?
Yeah. Well, this is sort of.
Okay.
Kind of. So this is going to be. It is a homemade barbecue sauce that we're going to allow the pork to cook in. So what we're going to do is, now that Scott's coated this, get it a little bit better there, and then we're going to stick it inside the crock pot.
The
Scott.
magic crock pot.
The magic crock pot.
Scott's afraid of the crock pot.
I know. Well, we're going to try to change that today, Kara.
Should just
I don't know
mix
if
it
we
a
will or
little
not.
bit better.
Hang on,
Okay.
I wanna
All right.
just
So we
make
put
sure
the
I get
liquid
it.
in first or
Nope,
the meat
we're going to put
first?
the meat in first.
That's kind of the rule of the crock pot. Always put the meat in first.
Yep. And then we're going to. All right, you got it. Great job, Scott.
It just literally goes in like that.
That just like that. And this is where you're going to be able to do this at home, Scott. I swear.
All right.
And then Kara's going to pour the ingredients that we mixed together.
Only 3 ingredients.
Only 3
here.
ingredients. Very simple.
And a lot of you would probably have the brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Maybe even the apple cider vinegar, but a lot of people have ketchup at home, so.
Right. So now that we put this in here, we're just going to put the top on,
Yep.
and we'll start this. Make sure it's plugged in because I forgot that one day.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is set it. Yep. And you can either set it high or low, depending on the time that you have.
So if you're going to go to work the whole day and maybe a kid's practice, set it on low. And when you come home, your whole house is going to smell like a private chef was cooking.
Yes, absolutely, which is awesome.
Okay.
So then
8 hours for the low.
8 hours, yeah.
Okay.
So sometimes I go a little. I mean, if you're not home, right, don't worry about it.
It'll
I'm
keep
never
going.
home on time.
Okay.
So it goes a little bit longer.
This is really going to work.
This is really going to work. So, Scott, 8 hours later, it's going to come out. We're going to have to take it, and then we'll pull it with 2 forks. We'll pull it apart. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is make a little barbecue sauce.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is take your favorite sauces, because everybody has a favorite sauce. So a cup of your favorite sweet and a cup of your favorite hot sauce.
Okay.
And we'll mix that together. And with
These two?
Yep, those
Mix
two.
them together?
Yep.
So your favorite sweet sauce, barbecue sauce, and your favorite hot barbecue sauce.
Right.
Or if
And
you only like sweet, just
if
use
you don't
that.
like sweet, yeah. Some people just like sweet. Some people don't like hot. But we're going to put honey in this one, which takes away the heat from the heat of the hot sauce. So mix that in there. And then those two, I usually use Kitchen Basics, and they have a great unsalted one because, again, you know, when you're thinking sodium content with all this stuff, like
don't need
anything
all
I can
the
do, I can
extra
take it
salt.
out. So
Yeah.
you can get regular if you want, or you can take the low sodium or
Add
unsalted
all of this
one.
honey?
No, not all of it.
Oh.
So there's a spoon there. If you could take two big scoops of honey and stick it in there, that would be great. And then what we're gonna do. Never quiet, I love it.
Okay.
And then you'll whisk together that with the chicken broth that you have right there next to it.
Whisk it.
With
The chicken broth?
Yeah, chicken.
Add this chicken broth?
Yep, just add that in there.
How do we do? Oh, it's open.
Yeah.
Both of them, all of it?
Yep, all of it. So you put 2 cups of it in there. It'll be good.
This looks like juice boxes. Don't give this
know.
to your kids.
So
I didn't know they
that's good.
came that way, in the tiny ways.
Yeah, the
They're
tiny
good.
ways is great because then you're not, you know, the other one will last for a few days in your refrigerator.
And then
but
whisk
Use it.
yeah. So then you'll whisk it together, and you got your homemade barbecue sauce in here.
Isn't that clever?
So then
And that's
you take
gonna go
that,
on this?
yeah, put that on top of the pork after it's shredded, and then And you can stick it back in the oven and heat it up, and it turns into a great, simple weekly family meal, which is awesome to have during the week.
All right, so now I pour this on top of that?
Yes.
Should I do that right now?
Yeah, if you want to.
Should we not? Okay.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
What do you think, Karen?
I think you did a good job.
Yeah, you see,
In
Scott?
our final 30 seconds, you're gonna. So this is gonna be your pork for the week, and you can have this. You know, people could just have it with anything, really, with some rice or on the sliders or in your tacos, and you just have it all done.
Yep, yeah, and just nice and simple and easy. And we have it available at the store. If people want it already cooked, it's available in our entree case. And then we also have it so you can make it from scratch, because some people want to cook from scratch.
Okay.
But we try to make family meals easy. We have a couple examples down there. We have a cavatelli and meat sauce, and then we have chicken cacciatore as examples.
Beautiful.
But family-size meals, it makes it easy for the whole family to come and enjoy, and available
you.
in our entree case at Highland Park Markets.
All right, thank you. There you go. There's your Make Ahead Monday. You can do this. All right. For
yummy.
more information, you can visit Highland Park Market online. It's highlandparkmarket.com.